Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to sort out sc681-14. This is 6004 AX. So this is caused due to the toner error. So if you have a look on manual, sc681-14 is the yellow toner. So I would say if we check the yellow toner, so now you can see how messy is that. Has some toner on the chip, so it doesn't read, and also the chamber, if you check, can't even see. Right, so let's try to give a little wipe on it. You'll clean this one and then reset the code and then restart the machine. So that should work. So let's do it. Right, here we go. I cleaned it thoroughly, air dusted, and if this not worked, so basically you have to change the toner. Right, so before that, what we have to do is reset the settings. Let's reset the code, I would say. So jam counter. Make sure when you switched off EX, especially on EX, you have to wait until this blue LED bulb completely switched off. So it blinks, it will take a couple of minutes. Otherwise, if you pull the wire or if you switched on, it will damage to the hard disk. There we go. So before switched on, we'll put the yellow toner in, switched on. Right, seems like it's working. Just no paper. Hang on a minute. Let's add some paper. Right, let's give it a go. Need 5 copies. There we go, it's been sorted. So thank you for watching this small video.